Hi, my name is Koen. I work in the health and fitness industry, and I'm an entrepreneur giving a full 5-star rating for Vectera today. Well, alongside Vectera, I'm using Zoom as well from time to time to host online meetings, but it's just not as complete as what I'm finding here with Vectera itself. So Zoom is very much focused on just, I would say, the online meeting, which does it very well, but in terms of the full scope of being able to book and record my meetings and have people coming back to that meeting room, Zoom just doesn't provide me with all the options. So I do use it from time to time, but it is for a different purpose, and it's not as complete as what I find within Vectera. I actually found a really good lifetime deal for Vectera, and back then I was just starting up my business and I needed something that could do all at once. So not only provide me the space where I could have meetings with my clients and my potential clients, but as well give them a space where they could actually return and I could more draw things out for them in a more visual way. So that was something that really spoke to me. Having that opportunity of being able to use a whiteboard is something that really enhances the meetings that I do with people, and as well at the same time having it as an actual booking tool. So it's just a one size solution, I would say, really for my business, for working with new people and working with current clients. So it just solves the issue of needing multiple tools for that and bringing that in a way that really fits what I need. Well, I'm not the most tech savvy person in the world probably. So for me, having a tool that is very easy and very intuitive to use is for me super important. And that's why I really love using Vectera, because it is so easy and you just literally go through the different steps. They have this onboarding process where they just literally show you what are the different things to do. And they really keep you up to date through emails as well, to show you what some of the new features are and how you can actually install them. So I always get a lot of good feedback from people saying how well it looks, and I'm like, it was actually really easy to set this up, so it really makes it a pleasure to work with it. So if you are considering to use Vectera as a tool for your business, then I would really ask, if it is important for you, what you actually want to do. Especially if you want to work in more small group settings or do a lot of one-on-one coaching, and at the same time want to have something where your clients can go back to. So all the information that is saved there doesn't lose after one interaction. Then Vectera is a really fitting tool, because also you can have your schedule attached to it. It is very easy to use. So if those are the things that you're looking for, I really would recommend Vectera. If you're looking more for something that can host larger groups of people, then it's probably not the best fit for you. But everything in between there, it's very much to consider if you would like to use it.